next material we'll look at is stainless steel. And again, we're looking at contaminated stainless steel at 10 cents a pound, clean stainless steel at 45 cents a pound, versus things that stick to a magnet at 7 cents a pound. A little bit like zinc die cast, there's often confusion between stainless steel and aluminum. They both have a silver color, although aluminum, the color is a little different shade. So we looked at this earlier as sheet aluminum. What distinguishes this as stainless steel, besides not being magnetic, is when you try and file it. It's very hard material to file. So even though it's a silver color, it's stainless steel versus being aluminum. Here's the drain from a sink. Doesn't stick to a magnet. When you try and file the edge, again, it's very hard to file. So that's stainless steel. But about half of these will be iron. So I check each one to make sure that it's clean stainless versus being iron. These are some screens that come from inside of a dishwasher. They both look to be stainless steel because stainless steel is resistant to rust. But this one, in fact, sticks to a magnet. So again, visually, while they appear to be the same, this one doesn't stick. So this is stainless. This one sticks, so this is iron. I put them together. I've now taken the stainless steel from 45 cents a pound down to 10 cents a pound because of the contamination. Again, this little piece of material appears to be stainless steel, looking at the color, but in fact sticks to a magnet. So again, the magnet is always the most important tool. All the pieces of material need to be checked with a magnet. Here's a faceplate from a doorway. Doesn't stick. When I try and file, it's very hard, but it's silver in color, so that would be a stainless steel faceplate. Here's a handle off of an appliance, probably. Doesn't stick. Very hard to file. I put that with stainless steel. Here's an antenna. Doesn't stick. File it, it's silver in color, but it was hard to file. So antennas are about 50% yellow brass and 50% stainless steel. So the file becomes important to see what the color is. Then screws, lots and lots of screws. And some of these appear to be yellow brass by color, the others are silver, probably being iron. So I check all screws. In fact, what appeared to be yellow brass is iron, and the other ones are silver and are iron. But a lot of the silver ones, in fact, didn't stick to a magnet. And those would end up being stainless steel. So I check all screws to separate the iron ones at 7 cents a pound from the stainless steel ones at 45 cents a pound. Our biggest product in stainless steel are kitchen sinks and bar sinks. And again, almost all the sinks have an iron piece welded on the edges for fastening purposes. So while we separate the kitchen sinks, we have to sell them as contaminated stainless steel at 10 cents a pound. But occasionally they won't have that iron ridge. And so some stainless steel sinks will in fact be clean. Most of our clean stainless comes from appliances, dishwashers, stoves, dryers, and the more modern ones. Stainless steel has become more popular over the last 10 years versus the older appliances. So that's a quick lesson on stainless steel.